Hi, Sarah here. I've got a haul video for you today. These things are from Sugar and Sloth and I have quite a few goodies. These are the Tiny Party Club boxes and also I've got some extra goodies as well as that. So one of the boxes is a previous kit, one is the current kit that's the current box that's just been released, and then the other bits are just things from the shop, including some face masks. So without further ado, I'll open these up and show you what's inside. Okay, so first off I have this one. This is the previous kit. I don't know if there's still some available. If they are, I will of course link it below. And so that I can preserve that cute sticker on the front there, I'm going to just empty it out via the side. It's all wrapped in tissue paper and it comes with lots of confetti pieces as well, which I will reuse in my journaling and different bits and bobs. So first off we have this is the name of the box. It's the Glitter Dinosaur Space Explorer, and it's got the cutest little space dinosaur on the front there, and then the back just has a little bit of the information, including a 10% off code, so that once you are a subscriber to the box you can also get some extra discount and everything else in the shop. So that's all the information on the back of there, as well as where to share. There's this gorgeous postcard here. It's super cute, really lovely and glossy. And here's the back. It's done beautiful illustration on the back as well. It's so cute. Loving that. I've got an idea for postcards, which I will show you at the end of the video if I remember, which is hit or miss. I'm running on 2 hours sleep with the baby at the moment. We have this super cute sticker and it's got shimmery stars in the holographic bit. I don't know if you can see. It's gorgeous. It's so cute, and it just says, "Oh hi." We have washi. I am a massive washi fan. I have so much washi and it's never enough. I'll take it out because there is quite a lot of glare, so you can have a better look at it. Okay, so it's a better look at the washi. It's so cute. I love it. Lots of cute little guys on there and some stars, and it's a lovely pale blue. Apologies if you can hear my little boy in the background. He's just back from school. Okay, so there's this cute little button badge that says "Get out of my space." There's also this little parcel here. Have a look what's in here. Aha, this is our pin. So this is the gorgeous pin for this month. As you can see, it's super sparkly, it's really cute. It's a really chunky pin, so it's got two fastenings on the back there. And that is that box, so lots of super cute things in there. So I will open the next one now. Okay, so here's the next box, which is this month's one. Yeah, so I'll take out the tissue and show you what's inside. So this one came in black tissue with lots of Halloween-y coloured confetti pieces as well. So this box is called Spoopy Bees. This is the most recent one, and I of course will link it below. So in this one we have this cute postcard here with a cute little giraffe on the back as well. We have some stickers which are absolutely adorable. I'm loving these. Sorry, you can probably hear my baby in the background. Hopefully he'll last until I finish doing this before I have to go and check on him. There is this. Oh, it's a magnet. Sorry I missed your call. I did it on purpose. Yeah, so that's a magnet. I love this. It's so sparkly, it's ridiculous. It's the sparkliest badge I've ever seen, I think. And it has a spoopy woodlouse on it, which is super cute. So there's that as well. And then finally in here will be the enamel badge, which is very exciting. Oh my goodness, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen. So here is this month's enamel badge. It's so adorable. I love it. And as always, it has the fasteners. You can choose to have these non-snag ones, or you can have lockable ones. So if they're on your bag, then they're locked in place. They're less likely to ping off and be lost forever, which you would not want to happen to this guy. It's so cute. I'm loving that. So that is this month's box, and I think this one was 2 months ago. I think both of them are still available. I will of course link them if they are in the description below. I have a final couple of things to show you that I got as well. So in here I have, in fact, there's a cute little handwritten note, which is really sweet, a nice personal touch there. I have actually opened it because I did actually need one of my masks. Well, I say need, I wanted to wear it. So that did have a mask, and I'll show you the rest. So it all came wrapped like a sweet shop. It's lovely. I love how everything is wrapped so with such care. So I'll grab all these, get these out, and I'll show you what else is here. So I ordered masks, which are these here. I will quickly open them and show you. So I have 3 in the yellow design, which are super cute. Another one and another one. And then I also have 3 in the blue design, one of which I am currently using. So that's the blue ones, which I love. They're so cute. I love the bunny on there and the really chubby panda. It's just really adorable little characters on all of these. I also got this cute badge here, which I thought was just hilarious. I love this one. It just says "go away" on it. Again, it's got the cute little heart-shaped snag-proof fastenings on the back. It's super shiny, really nice quality. So I got that. There's a really sweet note. This is just not a postcard, this is like flyer type, glossy. So there's just a little note on the back from the designer, Anita. It's her company. And I also got this, which is a sticker. This was free. And I also got this cute little "I like rainbows, puppies and true crime," which is just adorable as well. So that is everything I got from Sugar and Sloth. I will of course link her shop below, as well as the links to the products that are that I've got here that are still available, that aren't sold out. And yeah, make sure you go check her out. She's a independent UK business, so always worth supporting those. So yeah, thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned and I'll show you what I have planned with the postcards and any stickers that I'm hoarding, because I've got a little idea of what to do with them when I don't want to stick them on things, because I'm really bad for doing that. So stay tuned at the end for that if you want to. Okay, bye. Okay, so I've taken an empty box. I'm going to switch it up later once I have more postcards and maybe change them. But for now, I've just cut up the box. As you can see, it's just the cardboard box piece there, and put it in one of these. They're just cheap photo albums that are just like plastic ones. And as you can see, whoops, as you can see, that's the box that I've used to create that there. And then, so inside I can put all my little information flyers. I've got the previous one there, and then I can put all my stickers in, because pretty much everything should fit in these pages. So also I could add this, because this is a Halloweeny one. I can make the front of my album Halloweeny by adding that in. So now I've got one place to keep all my goodies, so I might have to start buying one to hoard and one to stick for all my stickers, I think. So I'll just go through all these and pop all these goodies in each one of these, like so. And I've got another sticker there. So there we have it, a little album with all my little bits that I've got so far, just slipped in there to keep them nice and safe. And for my badges, I will probably put them, I've got a few different pouches, like this one's my larger art journaling one. I'll do a video on these sorts of bits and bobs if you would like to see it. I mean, this one's not got my art journal at the moment because it's on my desk, but that's what I usually keep inside there. So for my badges, I'll probably put a couple on this one, and my pin badges I usually put on my actual big rucksack that I take out with me if I take my art journal out with me. But for my little badges, they tend to go on these little pouches that are from Delphonics. So I'll probably stick this guy on here, maybe another one, who knows, I will decide at some point. And yeah, that's what I'll be doing for all my goodies. So thanks for joining me, if you stayed till the end, and if you'd like a look through at what I keep in these sort of pouches that I use, I think I've got 4 for different uses, from planning and more arty things. But if you'd be interested in that, then I'll be happy to do a video on my storage, things like that. So yeah, thanks for joining me at the end to have a little look at this, and I will see you in my next video.